channel Knowledge of, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your SBI PO, that is your bank examination paper, and that is your we are dealing with the 42th class of the session. We had done in 41 at which we had done a 138th question of this last session. So we're going to continue with the same. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at last. And you will also get your information here from this which is very important one as well. So let's start with the same. So before starting with the same, huge request that please go ahead with like, share and subscribe. So for the same, here that we discuss about it, it will be, the question is, when you save presentation, that is a type of a question which is related to the computer. The statements we have here is that all sites in presentations are saved in the same file. The second is, two files are created, one of the graphics and one for the content. The second is, a file is created for each slide, and the fourth is, a file is created for each animations on graphic, and the fifth option is none of the above. So let's go further, and that is what we have to discuss here further one by one. And so here we go. So let's go for the question first. The question is 131th question. When you save a presentation, when you save presentation, that comes under it. So let's go for the same here, which is being as follows. The first statement is it, that is, all slides in the presentations are saved in the same file. Second is, two files are created, one for graphics and one for content. The third is, a file is created for each slide. Fourth is, a file is created for each animation or graphics. The fifth is none of the above. So let's go for the same here. Although the options is that what we go ahead here in the detail. So the options here is your all slides in a presentations are saved in the same file. This is the right answer. This will be the right answer for this question. You can write it up, copy down as well. Let's go for another one, that is the another question. And the question is, in a client server model, a client program, the options are ask for information, provides informations and file, serves software files to the other computer, distributes data files to other computers, and none of the above. So let's go for the same. In a client server model, a client program, the first is ask for information, the B option. The second one is provides information and file. Third is serves software files. To other computers. The fourth is distributes data files to other computers. So here the option that will be the right answer is the option 4 will be the right option for the same. That is the right answer. Next go for the another one, which is your 133rd question of the session, and of course that is an important one too. So let's go for it. And for the same, the question is, every device on the internet has a unique dash address, also called an internet address, that identifies it in the same way that street address identifies the location of the house. The options are DH, DA, IP, IA, and none of the above. So let's go for the same. 134th. Every device on the internet has a unique address, also called an internet address. That identifies it in the same way that a street address identifies the location of the house. The first is DH, second is DA, third is IP, fourth is IA, and the fifth is none of these. So all you know very well about this. I hope all of you know. If you are sort of a simply, if you are connected to the internet, that is the IP address that can be tracked when you have to you will track the IP address, and you will find out where the computer, laptop, or the device is be. So you can track from that as well. So another the question is, in a customer database, a customer's surname would be keyed into the options are row, text field, record, and computed file field, or none of these. So let's go for this. That is another question. Is your 135th question of the session. 134th question of the session here. It has been so 134th question. In a customer database, a customer's surname would be keyed into it. Options are row, text field, record, computed field, none of those. So the answer will be here. It will be record. That has been the right answer. Now we go for the another question, and that is the another important one in terms of related to the computer as well. And that the question we have as follows is your 135th question of the session, where a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization best defines, and that is the question here. So the options for the same is your communication technology, a network, an information system, hardware, and none of these. These were the sort of that what we have to go for it, and let's find it out as well, the another one as well. So with the same, when you're going to solve the questions, when you are going through with the questions as well, you have to be very careful about it. So let's go for the same. You have to be very confident about the question as well than when you are going for the solution. So the question is your 135th question. Let's go for the same. So a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization best defines. Options are communication technology, second is a network. Third is an informative system. Fourth is hardware. And the fifth is none of the above. So for that, the options is right answer is your an informative system here. So an informative system, and that a set of interrelated components that collect the process, store and distribute information to support the decision making, and that to control in the organization. That is best defined as informative system. अगर informative system होगा, so the best decision come out, and that is very helpful to make a decision as well. Now we go for the another one, that is the another important question is your, and that is your control in design of an informative system is used to. The options are here: inspect the system and check that it is built as as a specification. Second is to ensure that the system processes data as it is designed to, and that the results are reliable. Third is to ensure privacy of the data processed by it, and the fourth is to protect data from accidental and international loss. The fifth is the none of the above here. So let's go for it and let's figure it out as well. So that is 136 question of the session, and that is of course very important one. So here we go, 136 question. So control in design of an information system is used to, the first one, inspect the system and check that it is built as per specification. The second is ensure that the system processes data as it was designed to, and that the result are reliable. Third is ensure privacy of data processed by it. Protect data from accidental or international laws. The fifth is none of these. That is the question here. So the solution for the same is To control in the design of an information system is used to ensure that the system process that is if it was designed to and that the results are reliable. That is the option 2 will be the right answer for this question here. Now we can go for the next one as well. That is the another important question. Question is, one of the following is not included in the 7 PCs of marketing. Find the same. The options are product, price, production, promotion, and none of these. So let's go for the same here that we to discuss about it. And so here we go for the 137th question of the session. One of the following is not included in the 7 PCs marketing. Find the same. The option bar product, second is price, third is production, fourth is promotion, fifth is none of these. So here for that the options we will go for it is here the third one, which is the production. That will be the right answer for this question here. So here we're going to end up with this only, and that we'll discuss the rest in the next coming class. So stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy with the video as well. Thank you.